If you're looking to transform your body but not a fan of the gym, this video is for you. I'll show you 5 exercises that require no equipment and will get your body in top shape in no time. Have you ever stopped to think how important it is to exercise to maintain your health? Well, working out is not just about aesthetics, but also physical and mental well-being. And guess what? You don't need a gym full of fancy equipment to reach your goals. With just the weight of your own body, you can do a great workout that will get you in shape and feel amazing, all without even leaving home. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's real. Think about it. Push-ups, squats, crunches, those are just a few examples of exercises that use your body weight as resistance. And the best part is you can do these moves anywhere in your home without spending money on gym memberships. So, let's take advantage of this opportunity to exercise in a simple, accessible, and super effective way. With determination and consistency, you'll see how it's possible to transform your body and health without needing dumbbells or complicated machines. After all, the important thing is to move and feel good about yourself, so forget the excuse of, "I don't have money for the gym." Here, it's free and effective. Whether you're at home, in the park, or even at work, you can do exercises using just your body weight. In addition to saving money, you'll reap the benefits of an exercise routine that will make you healthier and happier. So, don't waste any more time and start moving now. Your body and mind will thank you for it. It's time to stop making excuses and take action. Let's train. The first exercise we're going to tackle is the classic push-up. Did you know this one never goes out of style? And the best part is it's not just for those who are already strong. Even beginners can do well with this one. The push-up is a simple yet powerful exercise that works multiple muscles in the body at once. When you do a push-up, you're primarily working the chest, triceps, and shoulders, as well as activating the core muscles to maintain body stability. To do a push-up correctly, it's important to start in the plank position, with your hands placed on the ground slightly wider than shoulder width apart and arms straight. Your body should form a straight line from heels to head, without letting the hips sag or rise too high. As you lower yourself, bend your elbows until your chest nearly touches the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body. Then, push the ground away with your hands and extend your arms again, returning to the starting position. Remember to maintain a steady breathing pattern during the movement, inhaling as you lower and exhaling as you raise your body. If you're a beginner or looking for a lighter variation, you can rest your knees on the ground during the movement, which will reduce the intensity of the exercise. With time and practice, you'll be able to progress to traditional push-ups with your feet on the ground. So, don't waste time. Get in position and start doing your push-ups. With dedication and persistence, you'll see your strength and endurance gradually increase. The push-up is a simple yet extremely effective exercise to strengthen the body and achieve your fitness goals. After tackling push-ups, it's time for the next challenge, bench dips. This exercise is excellent for strengthening the triceps and also helps shape your body, making your arms more defined. To do bench dips, you'll need a bench or a stable chair. Start by sitting on the edge of the bench, with your hands placed on the edge of the seat beside your hips and your legs extended in front of you. Then, slide your body off the bench while keeping your hands firm on the support and arms extended. Slowly bend your elbows, lowering your body towards the ground until your arms form an approximate 90-degree angle. After that, push your body back to the initial position. Repeat the movement with the other leg and continue alternating sides. Throughout the exercise, it's important to maintain proper posture, with the torso upright and abs contracted. This helps prevent injuries and maximize the benefits of the exercise. With dedication and consistency, lunges can be a powerful tool to strengthen the legs, tone the glutes, and improve body stability. So, include them in your workout routine and feel the difference in no time. We can't forget about the abs, right? Many people neglect this exercise, but it's super important for core strength and avoiding back pain. Abs are essential for maintaining body stability and improving posture. When you strengthen the abdominal muscles, you're providing support for the spine, which helps prevent injuries and back discomfort. In addition, having a strong core is fundamental for day-to-day activities, such as lifting heavy objects, playing sports, and even maintaining good posture while sitting or standing for long periods. There are many types of abs exercises you can do, such as crunches, sit-ups, planks, and many others. The important thing is to choose exercises that suit your fitness level and goals. So, don't leave abs out of your workout. Dedicate some time to strengthening your core and feel the benefits not only in your health but also in your overall quality of life. Your body will thank you. And last but not least, we have burpees. This exercise is a true challenge, but it's totally worth it. It's one of those that engage your entire body and also help burn a ton of calories. Burpees consist of a series of movements, including push-ups, jumps, and squats, making them an excellent choice for those looking for a complete and effective workout. And the best part is you can do them anywhere, without needing special equipment. Of course, we won't lie, burpees are exhausting and require a lot of effort, but it's precisely this challenge that makes them so efficient. And the feeling of overcoming it at the end of each set is simply amazing. So, why not embrace this challenge and feel the difference in your body? With dedication and persistence, burpees can become one of your favorite exercises and help you reach your goals quickly and efficiently. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself and see how far your body can go. I appreciate you watching the video until the end. Share this video with your friends and family so they can also benefit from these amazing exercises. Like the video if you enjoyed the content, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive more health and wellness tips. Together, we can achieve our goals and become the best version of ourselves.